Good evening, everyone. We have now concluded 6 whole weeks of classes in an 8-week course. This is the equivalent of 2/3 of the course or 3 months of the class in a regular semester. After this week, we have 1 week left in the course. Such is the nature of the fast-paced 8-week course. Hope you're having a good Mother's Day weekend. So here we go on week 7. Here are some items for you to be aware for this week. Please look at the table below to see what is coming due. Look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here we will see the topics being covered this week. 1 new chapter and 4 more assignments. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities and assignments and exams. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar of Blackboard. Here's the summary of what's coming up due this week. Cultural Geography and News Discussion number 4 is due Thursday, May 17th by 11:59. Cultural Geography Special Topic Discussion number 4 is due Friday, May 18th by 11:59 p.m. Map Quiz number 4, Asia and Oceania, are due Saturday, May 19th by 11:59 p.m. Reflection number 4, available on Wednesday, May 16th, and it will be due Sunday, May 20th by 11:59 p.m. Notice that the news discussions is due on Thursday rather than the customary Friday afternoon. The special topic discussion is due this Friday. You may also have noticed that there are a lot of assignments due this week, but I hope you also notice that they are shorter than the normal. Please remember to log in into the course at least once a day so I can see that you're active in the class. Logging into the course is how I take attendance in an online course, and it tells me whether you are active in the class or not. At this point of the class, it's more counterproductive if I drop you, but on the other hand, if you're not active and are not completing the assignments, you are not going to pass the class. If you're missing assignments, quizzes, discussions, or reflections, there's little time left in the class to complete them. If they are not done by the last week of the class, it will be reflected in your final grade. Have a great rest of the weekend, and we'll see you online. Best, Samuel Cortez.